so it cooks evenly without burning. Rhythmic sounds of the scraping signal the dual purpose of cooking the wheat and keeping it from sticking to the pot. The wheat-ghee mixture forms a golden mass. Constant attention is needed to ensure that the prasad cooks evenly. The Hawais of the Golden Temple Kitchen have honed the process expertly. More wheat is added. The ingredients are added not only in stages, but the steps are repeated all the while stirring